All right, trade idea for this week. Obviously, Amazon. We got that 190 call on Amazon for 628 last week. We sold it for 100%. I know a lot of people who have been saying, "Oh, you know what? You said it's a huge size position. I'm going all in." The problem here is as soon as I enter the position might not be profitable, and like just like how Amazon did, I entered in at one, it went to 0.88, it came back to one, went higher. See, if you're not able to hold that position when it goes from 1 to zero point 0.8, which is about 20% loss, it's extremely hard for you to capture that gain as well when it runs to the upside. So position in a way that you understand, like I'm giving you that position sizing and things like that, because you understand that, okay, you know what, Katie did this because he did this. Because, like, for example, SMCI last week we did 300%. I made it was a $3,500 bet, $4,000 bet, and I made like $8,000, $9,000 of it, right? Like, I started, and then I told you Amazon, I'm going big, and everybody just went all, like some of them went all in. It freaked me out. But like, I try to understand that risk management. Just don't say, oh, you said it's a big position, I'm going all in. It's not about the confidence in the trade. I'm confident in all the trades, but it's about the expiration also. You try to understand, okay, you know what, I made this much here, try to make some of that profit, use that profit as a cushion for your next trade or things like that. So that's what I want you to understand. But anyway, all things aside, Amazon trade idea for the week. Here, if 189 breaks or 190 breaks, we are looking for 190 calls. And this will go to 194, 196, 198 is what I think. 194 and 198 are my targets on the daily time frame. If you look at the weekly, it is an absolute wonderful chart. I know people will talk about double top, triple top, and things like that. Double tops, triple tops, head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders, each and every one of these setups, you can't call that a double top, because the executable point of a double top or a head and shoulders or an inverted head and shoulders is at the neckline. It's not at the top, right? So if you're saying that's a double top, you're just imagining that the price will go down from there. What if it goes a little bit more higher, little bit more higher, little bit more higher? What would you call it? It's still not a double top, right? So it's not a double top. Nice volume. If you see the volume also, obviously, granted it was OPEX, nice volume on the breakout as well. Looking like 190 will break this week towards 194 to 198. Very, very nice setup here. We will look for that trade again. We still have like 200 calls for July still in our trade. We have a lot of shares that we have bought in at around 90 to 93. We sold covered calls bunch of times. I'm willing to let go of Amazon at around 220, 225. Pretty good for a 2 year, yeah, less than two, actually more than 2 year hold, right, on Amazon. So we'll see what happens there. But I'm very interested in this setup this week, and is also the trade idea for the week here on Amazon.